Hello everyone, dear fellow SEOs. I'm Halib Seka. I'm a digital marketer, a copywriter. Today I'm going to give away my honest review about Koray's topical authority course and semantic SEO approach. As I remember that I know Koray first time back to 2020, 21, I believe so. At the beginning, I was reading and following his Koray's videos and case studies, videos and writing article. Back then, and I'm courage enough to tell that I didn't understand a damn thing, which was frustrating and embarrassing to me. That kept me cut off from continuing follow Koray for a short period of time. This didn't last long until I watched Koray's interview with Matt Diggity about the topical authority, and that was my first time to hit that understanding threshold, and it was the true starting point, to be honest. And I'm intrigued by how far Mr. Koray has deep understanding about Google engine systems and algorithms. And the best witness of this is the results of the companies that he worked with and the search papers and he read, he conducted and revealed its secrets, case studies with written enriched with tremendous amount of undiscovered opportunities to beat Google machines away of a classic SEO that we've lived since 10 of years, and the link farm mentality that basically contradicted with basics of semantic SEO approach. And what I liked the most is the semantical and topical authority mindset from economic perspective is the key, is the cost of retrieval, because as we SEOs, we care about the money, but we never care about Google, how it makes its money, how they maintain the search systems, as the crawling machine learning systems are expensive to run. And the causation and the correlation in the semantic world is fascinating because it simulates the human being mind and brain cells and linked it to how Google as an object who has the thinking facts from predicates, entities to paired attributes and values wins and decrees how much Google spend budget, which this is the bond of the of SEOs should think from side of the economical way. And to be honest, this wasn't easy to me to digest it from first time, and if it wasn't for you, it's totally fine because it is what it is. It's difficult, and if you don't understand something, which I'm sure you will, you have to read and read. Pause the videos, ask questions, write questions. I believe that Mr. Bill Slawski has left a big heritage for us to Koray, and we should cherish that and keep it. And the next generation should continue to add value to this rather than being consumable, because one day I believe it will be gone and nothing will speak about you but your legacy. Also, from the perspective of technical SEO, from Koray overview is amazing. There are a lot to know and has not been published elsewhere, from indexation materials, optimizing code for crawlers and user experience area, which wasn't explained enough throughout classic SEO role and ranking and branding for search engine to last long from Google updates. This is what I have learned from the last interview of Koray, from his last interview. Something else is really important too is machine learning area is a huge topic for semantics, and search engines depend on it, like Koray mentioned. Understanding Google patterns through machine overview is the subject matter. Programming is being more valuable than other time passed in the industry, like learning languages like Python to analyze and save money through training data for tokenizing and training a large amount of language models to reach relevance score is a pure gold, and that no one is telling about any other place but Koray. I believe this is the future, as the LLMs and AI is raising a lot of risks comes, but opportunities comes with the risk. As the proverb said, no risk, no money. If you don't understand the technicalities of Koray's method, don't get upset. Just rinse and repeat until you get it. Even it's so difficult, Koray could gather in a few years thousands of followers, even if they don't get it, like Albert Einstein once said to Mr. Charlie Chaplin. People laugh when they watch without saying a single word, and Charlie answered back, and people loves you without understanding the damn of you. I believe one follower for Koray is equal to 100 compared to other SEO experts. I'm sorry to say this, but this is the reality. It is hard to get, but it's deserved and worth it. Thank you so much, guys, for all what you have for us, and we will continue to carry it on.